Hey, Jeff Odo here, president of Citywide Franchise Company. Thanks for watching this short video. The goal is to see if we are a good fit in 5 minutes or less, so let's jump right in. My dad started this company over 60 years ago, and today I'm the president and CEO. Citywide is a sales and management company in the building maintenance industry, which means that we can open doors with, manage, and make money in more than 20 different facility services, all in the commercial buildings. And since we all know the hardest part about sales is getting in front of a prospect, well, it's a lot easier to get in front of them when you can help them with anything from parking lot, roofing, and painting on the outside of the building to janitorial, carpet cleaning, and handyman services on the inside. And the beauty of this model is we don't have any hourly employees, no equipment, no inventory, no vehicles, just great salespeople and world-class client experience managers who make sure the customer is getting what we promised. So, why do you care? Well, because I think there might be a great opportunity for the two of us to work together. But first, let me explain. Traditionally, Citywide has grown outside of Kansas City through franchising, where my team and I teach people how to start a business from scratch and build a multi-million-dollar business. In fact, this year collectively, we will build more than $400 million in revenue, with each owner averaging just over $5 million. I'm proud to say that strategy has been wildly successful for us, as we are now more in 70 of the largest cities in the United States and Canada. But today we're pursuing a conversion strategy in addition to our traditional method, which is why I'm reaching out to you. I'm looking for a successful business owner who would consider joining forces with a company like ours, with the goal and expectation that we can achieve much more success together than on our own. See, there's a lot of benefits to this strategy for you, including the time and headaches we can solve for you just by being part of a system of like-minded business owners who are all incented to help you be successful. Now, we're going to be able to save you time associated with things like legal and accounting, technology, and HR policies and procedures, all that stuff. But the primary benefit to you is that we can teach you how to leverage your business, your clients, and your team so that you can evolve from being a service company that specializes in one or two trades to one that can make money in all 25 services that Citywide offers. Your clients benefit as well, as they're going to have less people to deal with, less invoices to process, but most importantly, they're going to get someone who is dedicated to positively impacting their life by saving them time and solving their problems associated with dealing with multiple contractors. Now, I probably don't have to tell you that making money is getting harder and harder. And the number one challenge for business owners going forward is going to be their ability to attract and retain talent. But I know you know that. What you don't know is that there is a better way, a better mousetrap. And there's options for you to profitably grow your business while maintaining a quality of life. For the first 30 years, we did what you were doing, but the last 30 years, we spent perfecting the model so we could go out and tell the world about Citywide. The best news is you don't have to start a business from scratch. You don't have to sell your company or even give up control. All you need to do is to have a burning desire to grow both personally and professionally. So look, if you're interested in learning more about how we can help you leverage your existing relationships, increase the margins on the clients who already like and trust you, retain them longer, and make a bigger impact in your community, then I ask you to reach out to us as soon as possible. Well, I could go on and on. Let's just leave it here for today. If you like the concept, if you like the idea, man, I'd love to talk to you. But first, I want you to check out our website, citywidefranchise.com. Look at our values. Watch some of the videos, because it really does need to be a good match. Lord knows life's just way too short to work with people who you're not in alignment with and who don't share your values and or fit into your culture. But if you think there's a match here, then we should definitely talk. You can either call my franchise development team at 734-707-3466, or just send us an email at convertandwin@gocitywide.com. And David or Kelsey will reach out to you as soon as possible. All right, that's it. Thanks again. I look forward to meeting you in person someday.